Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing well today. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we'll be reacting to a highly recommended video. Thank you so much for all the recommendations. Best of Group B and Legends, rally cars and pure sound, man. Highly recommended. I'm really excited to check out this video. This is actually my first time checking out Group B Rally. Okay, it's dark, you hear that? Ooh. It's dark. Oh. All the people in the road. That was beautiful. Go ahead and bring it up there then. Go ahead and get it up. Nice. That was clean. Hey, where are these hosted at? Finland? Are these in Finland? Let me know, man. I would love to go to Finland someday. Like, oh my goodness. I would love to go to Finland and watch one of these races one day, man. Live, on Twitch as well, streaming the whole thing. This would be an amazing opportunity. don't really drift a lot in Group B. Or is it just me? Is it these certain drivers? Is it just this video we're reacting to? I notice a lot of these cars, these guys aren't really drifting and, you know, opportunities that it's possible. Solid driving in this video, man. That is by far the best sounding car in this whole entire video. I'm being serious, man. That's by far the best sounding car in this whole entire video. That is crazy. Let it slide. Get him. He's spitting flames from the side of the car. I got a question. Do these cars, like, are they tuned? You know how you have to put a mapping system on your car in order, you know, get it tuned and everything, and they got to get calibrated. They got to go through a whole testing process in a shop to be able to spit flames like this. Are these cars equipped like that the same way? Like, what's going on? How are they able to spit flames like this? You know, I'm thinking of you need a tune to do something like that. First person view is crazy. Dang. The view is wild. A whole bunch of obstacles, like that was crazy. At night is crazy, like how do they like Hey, how do you become one of these drivers, man? Like, what's the series of steps you got to go through and the type of training you need to go through on a daily basis in order to become one of these drivers? I mean, they got to be testing your reflexes and everything like they do for F1, right? Or is the speed not that serious? Like, the driving doesn't look so crazy in Group B, man. You guys let me know in the comments, like, what do you think? Do you agree? The driving looked a little more calm and steady throughout these clips, but it was still amazing. It was beautiful driving throughout this video, man. If you all enjoyed this video just as much as me, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and turn all post notifications on. Feel free to follow my Twitch in the description down below as well, and continue to flood my comment section, my suggestion link, and DMs on Instagram with more of these beautiful racing videos for us to check out. Just like how we did today, man. Or any other, sporting videos, It doesn't have to be pertaining to racing. It could be any other categories, man. Please feel free to recommend them. Once again, thank you so much for joining me today to check out this beautiful video. I hope you all stay safe, and I hope to catch you all in the next reaction video.